In this video, we were gonna make the very easy pecan tarts.
Pecan Tarts!
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Lerrie's Kitchen, where we cook, we learn, and have fun in the kitchen, one recipe at a time. If you're new to this channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. Pecan tarts, or other people call it mini pecan pies, is one of our family's favorite desserts. First, let's preheat the oven to 325 Fahrenheit or 162 Celsius. Before we make the crust, we have to put some non-stick spray into the molds. This is what I use, but you can use any baking non-stick spray or butter. These help the tarts not to stick too much and make it easier to remove it after it is cooked. For the crust, we need to combine 4 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese, 1 stick butter, equivalent to 1/2 cup, at room temperature. Make sure it is not melted. Just keep it out of the refrigerator a few hours before using it. And 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Now, using your clean hands, mix it all together. Do the scoop and press motion to form the dough. Form it like a log and cut to make 24 pieces. This recipe calls for 24 tarts, so we need 24 small crust cups. Flat the dough using our hand to form a flat circle. It doesn't need to be precise. It is okay if our crust doesn't have the same size. Just make sure each crust has enough dough. The dough will feel soft and easy to form. Next step is to put our small flat circle dough carefully to the mold and press to form our crust. Make sure you have some at the bottom and on the side. These dough are now ready. We are going to set it aside while we make the filling. For the pecan tart fillings, we need 1 egg, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup maple syrup, 1 teaspoon melted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Whisk gently to combine. This smells like butter and yummy. Transfer to the Pyrex bowl so it is easy to pour into our dough crust. To assemble the pecan tarts, in each dough crust, add a few pieces of pecan nuts. Then add the filling, probably after 2/3 full. Give some room for when it bubbles while cooking. Don't fill it too much because it may overflow. Cook for 25 minutes or until golden brown. Our pecan tarts are now ready. It is so good! Golden brown, buttery flake crust, and the tart filling creates the sugary coat at the top with a sweet, nutty taste. Yum! Because this recipe has eggs, they can stay at room temperature for up to 2 hours. Or you can keep it inside the freezer or fridge for longer storage. If you like this video, kindly give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy home cooking recipe ideas. I also want to know what you like about this recipe. Any recipe suggestion that you want to see next, or if you make this pecan tarts recipe. I want to know. Please put it in a comment down below. Before I end this video, as Julia Child said, no one is born a great cook. One learns by doing. So let's learn and explore together, one recipe at a time. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next video. Bye!